September we met.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is YVONNE OKEKE, and if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. If you're not new, welcome. You're welcome to my channel. So you guys, a lot of people have been asking me what I use on my skin, especially my face, because I know my friends know I have a lot of I deal with a lot of pimples. So I know I've made like 2 videos on my skin routine, especially my face skin routine. So you guys should, I'm going to show you guys soon, like maybe some other time in my next video. I'm going to show you guys my body skin routine, like the product I use for my skin. So you guys, I'm going to show you what I do when I come back from school, and I'm super duper tired. Like you can see written all over me that I'm dying. Like I'm not dying, but I'm like very tired. So, and then I'm going to tell you why I like using this product. So first of all, I get a cotton wool. I like this type of cotton wool because it doesn't leave all these, I don't know what to call it, but girls, you understand what I'm saying, like all this white things from the wool. It doesn't leave it. It comes like this. Only when you remove it, that's like you feel it like this. Then you're going to see the particles. So I'm using the New Age I don't know how to phrase it, micellar cleansing water, and the New Age. I'm using their cleanser, and so I'm just going to go on and put this cleanser on my wool, on my cotton wool, and I'm going to use it and wipe my face. But the reason I like this cleanser is because it wipes off dirt and it removes makeup like really quick, very easily. So, and then guess what, you guys, after you do this to wipe off your face, you know this kind of things that cleansers do, that it dries out your face, leaves your face dry or something like that. This micellar water, I don't know if it happens with all the micellar water, but this particular one is really great, and it doesn't dry off my face after I'm done wiping my face. So it doesn't dry my face after I wipe off my face. It makes it feel more like there's oil on it, stuff like that. So that's what I like about this. I don't know, I've not tried other micellar water, but this product, like this brand, I like it because the micellar water doesn't dry off my face when I'm done cleansing my face. So the reason why I do cleanse my face is to get rid of all the sweat, like, you know, coming back from school, the hot weather and stuff like that. It helps me with it. So after that, I'm tired. After that, I'm just going to let it dry off, and I have this burning feeling in my skin, like it's as if it's burning. Yeah, that's how I feel. So you guys, and after it dries off, I'm going to use their skin brightening facial scrub on my face. The New Age skin brightening facial scrub. You guys can see. This is with papaya extract, and say it's brightening. You know, like girls, you guys should always be careful. Brightening and lightening. I think it's a black girl actually for whitening. You don't like to be styling, so I'm just joking. So this scrub. The first time I tried it, I really didn't like the product because I felt it was more of cream. It was more of cream on my skin. Like you can see, it is like a cream, but then a tiny particle of sand on it. So I was like, oh no, what's this? So you know, I used my, because I really needed to scrub my face, and I used my body scrub, which is a no-no, you guys. Like, do not ever make that kind of mistake of using your body scrub for your face, only if it's written body and face scrub, because your face, as you guys know, it's really sensitive. So it's advisable not to use your body scrub for your face because it really makes it rough. So those videos where I use my brush, you can decide, like sometimes I decide to use the brush to exfoliate my face, because it's still the same job, it's still the same thing, just that this one has some product that's going to help your skin and blah blah blah, you know. I'm not even going to red eye because then I'm super duper tired. Today was my first day in school in 7 months. Like, I think I need an award for being in school and still being alive. Yeah, so you guys are going to go on with this on my face, and I'm going to scrub it focusing here because I have like something like a mask. I don't know how I got that, but that shit refused not to go. It's been on my face since forever. Ready to get mask. This is a get mask. This is a get mask. Oh my god, guys, I'm super tired. Oh, I want to be done with school. Like, I think everybody doesn't really need school. Maybe the medical students, they need school so that they save us from dying. Only they can do that, yeah. But the rest of us should just go to bed. Who's going to bed right now? The rest of us should just go to bed. Go and sleep. Yo, you guys, so this is it. And I'm going to go ahead and scrub my face. Don't forget to send it to you. I'm going to scrub it till I feel no tan anymore. And till I feel no blah blah blah. Anyway. So you guys, I'm going to keep scrubbing, and after a while I'm going to let it dry on my face. I don't know the reason why I do that, but I feel it helps because when I'm done with all this celera and that, like it gives me this baby bonbon feel. It gives me this baby bonbon feel. Yeah. Put in my hair. And I do my hair. Let's go with it. Oh yeah. So after this, I'm going to let it dry, and I'm going to get back to you guys when I'm done. And back and hair, I'm just sweating hair. Well, my face is dried out. And then I had a quick bath, and I've dried out my skin. So I'm just going to, yes, I think I told you guys what I like about this product. Because it gives me really clean, it's not harsh. It just gives me what I want. So this, I think this is the best secret ever. It's not basically a secret, but this is my baby. So a lot of people have been giving me testimonies on this particular product, Cake. C-A-I-K-E, Cake. So my friend used it, and what it was 2 days, she started getting milky, like milky face, like milky face. So I just like to use this very light so, and I put it on my face because it dries out your face. So those people who have oily face, it dries out your face, and then it gives you some sweat. So you need to be in a very cool environment. That's what you said. You need to be in a very cool environment. So guys, you know this particular thing, all these expensive products you're using, and once you go out the sun, under the sun, you get dark, right? You get dark immediately, and maybe when you get back home, you use the product, you have your bath, and then you get your color back. This doesn't work like that. When you're outside, when you're inside, you're the same color. You're not getting any darker. You're only going to get lighter. So, and this is very affordable. You can get this at different stores, but I got my own from New Market. So you guys, this particular product is dope. I keep like, you notice like I might change some products, but this is always in my video. It doesn't really mean I don't use those ones. Like I still use them. Yeah, I still use them. Just that, you know, we graduate and we become bigger, stuff like that. So guys, this is my face. This is my face. It was super duper tired. That's my channel. Make sure you do so. Make sure you watch my video. Share my video. You like, subscribe, comment. I love you all. I super love you all, and I love you all, and I love you.